2 miles above the Rocky Mountains, warm, humid air rises, forming massive, billowing clouds. Driven by the winds, a sailplane carries research scientist Bruce Miller among these towering formations, where a storm is about to be born.
I head into the storm to measure electrical charges on water droplets in the cloud. We're trying to understand the fine details of what causes lightning.
Bruce's job is to get close to lightning, just not too close.
I think I just took a hit. Still good climb.
If you want to understand the nature of a storm, you have to get close to it. Get inside it if you can. That's what storm chasing is all about.